What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is October 17th, 2023, Tuesday, local time, almost 8 p.m. I will be analyzing Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I'm on daily charts. And if you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. The name is Chartist. And you can also follow me on YouTube, X, and Instagram. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube because you will be getting notifications about my latest updates. Let's start the analysis. I will try to keep it as short as possible. Tomorrow we have its earnings post market after the market closes. That's for sure. Uh, Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. Let's keep it simple and let's understand what is happening. I'm gonna do a quick top down approach here. Price is actually reacting from yearly supply zone. I'm talking about yearly. That's why this wick can go and become half. All right, it looks like that it's impossible. No, it cannot become it cannot. This candle is live. First of all, understand this candle is live, and yearly supply zones are so powerful. Trust me, it's not going to happen tomorrow. It will happen with time, but it can happen. It's a very much possibility. uh, mm, all these when price made an all-time high, I'm trying to do a recap. So it broke these demand zones, and these were solid demand zone. Look at this, all of these are being broken when price went and made an all-time high. Now ultimately price goes in here, here in this candle into yearly supply, and also into monthly supply, quarterly supply. Same thing happened in SPY. Exactly same thing. Go and check the analysis. And it's been happening for 2 months since SPY went into quarterly supply. It made a low of 420, whatever, right? Now, this is what is happening. It's inside quarterly supply, but it's trying to go and it's trying to pierce it because it has hit. Look here. Look at the candles, okay? Try to understand the price action. So this candle is a quarterly candle. So a lot of price action happened in this in these 3 months. So this candle, now look here, this green candle made a high of 276.99 and it closed at 261.77. Okay. Now, because it's a quarterly, that's why the difference is too much. So we had an overall increase of 26%. Okay. Now, this candle actually made a low. So it made a high. This candle made a high of 276, almost $277, and this candle made a low of 212. All right. So you need to understand from 277. This is the power of yearly supply zone, and vice versa, demand zone as well. Now, what I'm trying to make you understand is price after hitting this candle actually has hit yearly supply, but then also it took time from this 277. It made a high of 300, so $23 was actually made here just to trap you, because I'm going to exit here, I don't care. Okay, as soon as it is hitting, I'm out. But for me, being conservative, it's fine. I don't care if I'm losing money or like that. This money doesn't belong to me. That's how I think. If price is gonna hit quarterly supply, boom, I'm out. I don't care because I entered somewhere around 150, 160. It's okay. Let it go to 300. Let it do whatever it's doing. But for me, rules are rules. I'm gonna exit before price hits, this quarterly supply. This is my rule. And 4 or 5 months it's going up, and ultimately it came down. Then you will be panicking here. So these are the rules, anyways. It's not a part of your it's not the part of our analysis. We'll discuss it someday later, but um, one thing what I'm noticing is price is trying to pierce it, but then it is unable to, and then there you go. So it's reacting now. But when it's coming down, it never look at the quarterly. There is no quarterly levels, but I do see there is something here at 197. Definitely something here at 197. And yeah, price can come here. Let's see what's happening here. I have all my drawings on like hidden right now, but they will go on. So this, now we go on monthly. This is the origin where price is reacting. So inside quarterly, let me go here. So price goes and hits quarterly, but we don't get an immediate reaction. Okay. But here you can see price has actually gone into quarterly, and then in the next month it actually hit where the maximum pending orders were of that quarterly supply, which was the origin here. So I'm a demand and supply trader. For people who are watching me for the first time, I'm just introducing myself that I do trade demand and supply only, and rest everything comes after this. So I'm trying to make you guys understand. So this is what has happened. Listen to whatever I'm telling you very clearly if you are going to trade Tesla. Now, price is making, these are indecision candles. So, price, this is consolidation. Consolidation is not always horizontal. Okay, understand that. This is consolidation on monthly time frame. Price is actually taking support of EMA 20 here. Okay, now let's go on weekly, and on weekly you can see what is happening. Price is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So every time it comes here, it is taking support. Now, now we have its earnings tomorrow. Now I'm gonna go on daily, and on daily, this demand and this demand is broken, and price goes here and makes a pro gap, goes up, trend is up, and then it comes here, and right now trend is sideways for me. Let me turn on the drawings now. Don't forget to follow me. That's what is written here. Okay, let's focus here. Let's put our attention clearly here. So on daily, the trend is sideways for me. Okay, and you can clearly see I've actually drawn a channel here because price is making a lower high, lower low, and let me push this up. Okay, and then on weekly also it's sideways. So whenever price is trying to change its trend from, if it has to go from up to downtrend, it will go up. It won't go up right away from up to down. Okay, so if it has to go to downtrend, it won't go straight away from up to down. It will go up, sideways, and down, and vice versa if it has to go to uptrend. Now understand this very clearly. The problem is that, first of all, rules are rules. Listen to me very carefully. If you're trading Tesla, rules are rules. I don't care if it's going to beat its earnings or not. I'm just discussing because this is a very popular stock and a lot of people have been asking me. If you ask me, what am I doing? I'm not touching Tesla. Now, whenever price is trading inside quarterly or monthly supply, okay, listen to me. Whenever price is trading inside monthly and quarterly supply zones, we don't go long there. Okay, we don't go long there. I don't see any short levels as well, but the thing is, definitely no long. Even if it goes, okay, I'm gonna go long once it breaks this. But do you see? There's one more supply at 359. We can enjoy this rally, but let it break this. Until and unless this supply is broken, I can never go long. That's my rule. Okay. Now what can happen, I'm going to show you. So when price is coming down, it has made this supply. This is exactly same. If you were following Doku, go and check what happened 6 months ago, or I think 6 months, probably, in Doku, and it's going to go here and chances are it's going to fall down. Now when price actually went up, it is reacting from this wick, probably this wick, and it goes down and breaks this demand, and we actually, this, I cannot trade this because it's trading inside. I don't care about this price action. All I'm doing is I'm following all this. I cannot trade this demand. This is an okay demand. But the problem is price is inside quarterly, and this move from 230 what to 230 whatever, and this actually came because of the news. And news came here about interest rate in SPY, and that what actually spiked up this move. Now this is a supply. Look at this. This is an aggressive supply. It was breached, but sellers were too aggressive here. Sellers were aggressive here, but then buyers started to die here, and so we have a reaction. Price ultimately comes in this weekly supply, weekly demand. Look here. So price is currently visiting weekly demand. Now understand this. Price is reacting from weekly supply. This is the weekly supply. So this is tested. Price is actually reacting from weekly supply, which is actually inside quarterly and monthly. So bigger picture. Okay. I'm just trying to break that bigger picture down. If you don't understand, it's fine, but try to understand that whenever price is inside the higher time frame supply zones, we don't go long. I don't go long. Now price is reacting from here. This is a weekly supply, and this supply has actually broken this demand, and it made a low from almost $300, low of 212. So this is a definite. What do you expect? If price is going into this weekly supply, you will have the reaction like in a day or two. So all this price action is almost of a month. Okay, if I'll show you on daily, look at this orange box here. Look at this. What is happening here? There are holidays also in between, right? So look at this price action. Now it started reacting up because it has actually hit weekly demand. Now this is a weekly supply. Price goes in and starts reacting. And look at this red candle, 10% down. What happened there? Okay, this is what happened there. Now this supply is actually have made a low from 300, from the high of 300. It made a low of 212. This is a powerful selling zone, looks like. Okay, and when you're trading this demand against the reaction from this supply weekly, what is this demand? This is nothing. It barely closed above this selling, barely. Like with market support, probably it closed barely. Look at this, the wick is right here. It barely closed above it, and then it's the closing is not good, because by closing I mean that buyers were not able to sustain above this selling. Now this is holding, holding, holding. I'm telling you very clearly right away. I know video is going long. This can be breached very easily. Okay, and price can come right tomorrow. Okay, let's go on daily. This is weekly. It doesn't look like I'm able to understand, but people who are watching me, I don't know if you guys are able to understand this. So, what can price do here? Tomorrow, during the market, price can go up here, 261, whatever. And then I don't know. I don't know about earnings. But what I feel is that there's a resistance here. As you can see, a channel has been drawn, and we have a reaction from here and a reaction from here. So, these are like, this is a valid channel. Now, what can happen is that price has actually I drew two support and resistance as well. This is a resistance, this is a support. So what can happen tomorrow is price can go up and get stuck here or somewhere here. And if you want to go long during the market, exit here. Don't, first of all, don't go long. But if, even if you're greedy or you're following some sort of news or some sort of analyst or whatever, just be very careful. It's gonna go here, exit. I'm not trading this. This is against the rules. Now, if you do enter here tomorrow, if you do get an entry, you understand, right? Maximum price can go is here. And if it falls, first of all, a lot of people won't be trading stocks. I know a lot of people would be doing options. So just check IV, because if either ways price goes, you will lose money because of IV. So be very careful. Now, I'm going to show you the risk reward. If you somehow get an entry here tomorrow, okay, so you understand the possibility that price, first of all, price can come to 233 easily. Like without any doubt, first target would be 233. If you get an entry here, and your target would be here, I would exit before the wick of this candle. Anyways, if you want to go here, go here. Okay, which is 1 is to 1.5. We are not even getting 1 is to 2. So this looks very simple, right? Now, understand, if you're entering at 254, your risk is of 233, $20. Okay, and then this is not even a possible move because you have resistance here. It can make a wick and come down. So you need to understand, my RR is also not allowing me. So I'm not entering, I'm not going long, and hope this analysis was, clear. And if you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here. The name is Chartist, and you can follow me on YouTube, X, and Insta as well. Now, let me tell you one thing. Let me correct this. Let me tell you one thing. It's not about, always not about making money. Follow this price action, and price can definitely come here tomorrow if it doesn't beat its earning, and it can also come into this pro gap. But understand this, that I don't feel comfortable going long or short inside this box, this purple box, this quarterly supply. Let price break this at 316, then we'll see how it goes. Okay, this was it, guys. Take care and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, X, and Instagram. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. All right, take care. Have a safe trading day tomorrow. Bye bye.